to my fellow British friends, if any of you are even watching this. Happy Bonfire night. Stay safe and have fun. We're not doing anything for it really, but we are going to a firework thing next Tuesday, so that should be fun. Also, sorry, I've had quite a complicated day, so I haven't been able to do that many videos or that many stuff, but I also found out my college got the timetable wrong or whatever, because on the timetable it said I was off this week as well, but I had a message saying an in, so, but that's all right. I like college, but anyway, probably let me do one more of these actually.